Hi guys, it's Alan here from Compass Media, and today I want to talk to you about some more LinkedIn tips. So what are we going to talk about today? Well, today I want to talk to you about being your business, okay, and showcasing your business on your LinkedIn profile. Very simple. What we're going to do is we're actually going to look at the screen and how you can actually get and find this. So let's pull up LinkedIn and let's have a look at our LinkedIn page, our home page, our actual profile page. And as you can see here, you have this little box here, which is on everyone's profile, but a lot of people don't actually use it. And what this is it's your business acumen. So basically it's showing people what you do and how you do it. So as you can see here is services that I provide: social media marketing, marketing consultancy, and digital marketing, and see all details. And then you can pull it up and you can also say I accept free messages and so on. So how can we do this? Okay, so basically go to your profile and you'll see this little tab here. If you click into it, it will say where are you focusing your business on. So what is your business focus? And you can use the drop down marketing. You can see there is a number of different options here. So what we do is we will pick our marketing, and that is the area that we're going to be looking at. Okay, then we can also add the services that we provide, and you can add a number of services here. So if I click on the ad, I can add, say for instance, brand marketing. I can add that in. I can maybe add content marketing if I wanted to. I can add in lead generation, marketing research, public search engine optimization, and you can also add in your own as well. So if I put in lead generation, okay, then we look at our work location, and obviously we're in Ireland, so at the end of the day you will click on Ireland, and I am available to work remotely. This is a very good option for you to have on your profile, because if you work in service industry and you do consultancy based content and stuff like that, what it means then is that you can actually do it remotely. So you can do it from your office space and speak remotely, but it's letting people know that you do that. Would you like to receive free business inquiries? Of course you would. So obviously you're going to want to click on that, and you can learn more because it'll bring you to the options page, and you can find out more about that there as well. So let's go back here to where we were, and then also allow LinkedIn members you're not connected with to message you for free. So by clicking on this, it means that you can attract people that are not your members that may be interested in your services, and also you want to be making it public so people can see that it is. And then all you do is basically press the share button. So let's add one or two more here that we said we would, because when we moved off it, obviously it took it out. Content marketing, and we'll also add in maybe content. We'll also add in, what was the other one that we had? Content strategies. Okay, so we'll add them, and then we'll click save. And now you can see these details are now in your profile. So it means that when people come onto your profile, that they can view this and they can find out a little bit more about what you do and how they can use your services. Or if you have a product, you can change this up, you can mix it up yourself, but it's a really, really handy little tip that you can use on your actual LinkedIn profile. So I do hope this is of value to you, and if you are interested in learning more about our services, please do get in contact with me. We are running a LinkedIn intensive training course on the 10th of March in the glass houses, and we still have a few places available left. So if you want to get in contact with us, you can send me a private message. I can send you on details, or you can click on the link above, which is the LinkedIn intensive training course. It's a bit.ly link, and that will bring you it'll bring you directly to Eventbrite, where you can book your place. Okay, so guys, have a great day, and I shall talk to you soon. And as I always say, be social. Until next time, bye bye.